Hello and welcome to this instructional video on running the AirMagnet Check Adapter utility. Netscout recommends running the Check Adapter utility before installing or using your AirMagnet product for the first time. Please note that you will need an active internet connection to download the utility. The Check Adapter utility can be found on the Netscout website in two places, either on the specific products page or within your My AirMagnet account area. This video will show you both. Open a web browser. Follow the link provided in your installation instructions or type airmagnet.netscout.com. Select the product you want to verify your adapter for. In this video, we will choose AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer. Click on the Supported Adapters link, then click Download Utility and save the file to your computer. Alternatively, you can log into your My AirMagnet account. Choose Documents/Drivers from the left-hand side. Click on the AirMagnet Check Adapter utility. Now click to download the utility for the product you are using and save the file to your computer. After downloading, launch the installation program you saved on your computer. Click Run to install that application. Choose a location to unpackage the program to and click Extract. After completion, click OK. Windows may ask if you want to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Click Yes. Click Next in the Install Shield and click Finish when it completes. The Check Adapter utility has now been installed on your computer. Before running the Check Adapter utility, ensure that any adapters you intend to use are plugged in, enabled, and running on your computer. Launch the Check Adapter utility. The utility will show all wireless adapters that are detected and give a red or green status for each. If the status is green, then this adapter is ready to use with your AirMagnet software. If the status is not green, you may need to install an update to your adapter's drivers or use another adapter. For reference, a list of supported adapters can be found on the AirMagnet product page of the Netscout website. Your adapters have now been checked for compatibility with your AirMagnet product. Thank you for watching this video.